Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the sensor head on the GLD small refrigerant gas detector with a remote sensor. For instructions on how to replace the sensor head on a unit with a built-in sensor, please see the separate video on this topic. In this video, we will show you how to replace the sensor head on the detector with a new, pre-calibrated, and tested sensor head. Let's look at how easily this can be done. First, let's remove the lid from the enclosure. Using a screwdriver, carefully unscrew and remove the lid. Next, disconnect the power contact from the PCB main board to avoid false alarms and warnings during this process. The unit is low voltage. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Loosen the cable gland at the end of the remote sensor using a tool fit for a 16mm nut. Unscrew the nut that connects to the remote sensor tube using a tool fitted for an M20 nut. Be gentle to avoid damaging the electronics inside the tube. Remove the electronics board from the tube and disconnect the cable that links the sensor head. Now unscrew the sensor head from the tube. You can do this by hand, turning it counterclockwise. This will allow you to replace it with the new sensor head. Take the new pre-calibrated sensor head and unpack it. Unscrew the nut from the new sensor head. Put this aside as you have no use for it when installing the sensor head on a remote unit. Hand screw it firmly, clockwise, onto the tube to ensure it is securely in place. Fasten it tightly, but ensure not to break or damage the seal by using excessive force. Connect the cable from the new sensor head to the electronics board on the cable. Ensure the connection is secure. Gently insert the electronics board into the tube. Make sure not to damage it or twist the cable. Screw the nut on the cable back onto the tube. Tighten it firmly, ensuring not to damage the seals by using excessive force. Push the cable back in place into the cable gland and tighten the gland. When you are sure the sensor head is connected properly, reconnect the power contact to the PCB main board to power up the unit again. During the warm-up phase, the green LED flashes around twice every second. It is also possible the warning light will come on during the warm-up period. Wait 5 minutes to make sure the unit has warmed up. If the sensor head is connected correctly, the unit's green LED light will light up. If it is not properly connected, the red and yellow LEDs will be on. Reinstall the lid onto the enclosure. Make sure it is tightly fastened and that the seal is in the correct place. After replacing the sensor head, wait 5 minutes to ensure the sensors have warmed up completely and established optimal behavior. For any further questions, please refer to the product's full and detailed manual or contact us. Thank you for watching.